Welcome to ProWebcast News, where we bring you daily industry updates. Today is Monday, November 23rd, and you're watching the Afternoon Update with Sarah Fletcher. Today's news is sponsored by Game Plan Financial. Every agent needs a game plan. For more information, please visit www.gameplanfinancial.com. Now for today's headlines. Recent findings from the National Association of Realtors indicate that existing home sales last month climbed to the highest level in more than 2 years. In fact, the number of existing homes sold in October increased 10.1% to a seasonally adjusted annual rate of 6.1 million units, the highest level since a rate of 6.55 million in February 2007. This represents upward movement since a downwardly revised rate of 5.54 million in September and is compared to estimates of 5.7 million annual units sold, according to analysts surveyed by Briefing.com. In economic news, economists estimate that jobless claims are expected to slow in the first quarter of 2010, comforting news considering that nearly 9 million people currently receive unemployment benefits. The national unemployment rate climbed to 10.2% in October, the highest level in 26 years. However, findings from the National Association of Business Economics show that economists expect net employment losses to bottom out in the first quarter of next year, which will result in employers increasing payrolls. In investment news, the price per barrel for oil this morning climbed nearly 1% to more than $78 on the New York Mercantile Exchange. This rise in cost likely comes in response to the declining value of the dollar and recent reports that oil demand in China, the second largest energy consumer in the world, was up 10% in October. And finally, this increase indicates that, although the country is still recovering from an economic slump, oil consumption is beginning to climb in emerging economies. I'm Sarah Fletcher, and thanks for watching ProWebcast News. For more in-depth news and features, visit producersweb.com.